yo, put some respect on my name, bro. For real. Yo, to everybody out there, man, be yourself, believe in yourself. Don't listen to none of the noise, don't listen to the bullshit. Believe in yourself, and shit is gonna happen. Good things are gonna happen to you no matter what. But the price went up. The price went up on Bougie. Yes, sir.
Sidenote Suplex.
Trying to carry it further.
Like and share and subscribe.
See, that might put the fear of God in the average man. But I ain't average. I'm a once-in-a-lifetime athlete, and you are all living in my lifetime. So God bless. So I don't care if it's 3-on-2, 3-on-1, 4-on-1. They're all gonna need 911 when I'm done with them.
Sidenote Suplex.
Like and share and subscribe.